Welcome to Ginesys feature tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about incoming LR Workbench. LR Workbench. LR Workbench is a platform which allows the operator to perform all tasks related to incoming LR from one form itself. Actions that can be performed from LR Workbench tab are LR Issue, LR Receive and LR Cancellation. Let's perform all these actions from the LR Workbench in our software. We are in Ginesys back office, inventory, logistics, incoming, LR Workbench. A new module has been introduced named as LR Workbench. LR Workbench has been divided into two blocks. One is the search criteria block and the other one is the available LR block. Search criteria block allows the operator to provide information and filter the data. As per the filtration, the data will be reflected in available LR block. LRs can be filtered on the basis of entry date, LR document date, invoice date, type, consignor, status, transporter, LR entry number, LR doc number, consignor invoice number, station from and station to. After all the necessary filter criteria have been provided, we need to click on search button to search the data. LR Workbench is used to perform various tasks like LR Issue, LR Receive and LR Cancellation. To perform these tasks, we need to select the status of the LR appropriately. Let us know more about the status of the LR. Open state LRs are those LRs which have been created but not yet been issued. Operator will be allowed to issue these LRs or cancel these LRs. Next status is issued. Issued LRs has been issued but not yet been fully received. Please note, partially received LRs also come under the list of issued LRs. Issued LRs can either be received or cancelled. Partially received LRs cannot be cancelled. LR can be considered as received once it has been received completely. Partially received LRs are not considered as received. No actions can be performed for received LRs. Once opened and issued state LRs have been cancelled, they are reflected in cancelled LR list. No actions can be performed for cancelled LRs. There are two buttons in the search criteria block. One is clear and the other one is search. Clear button will clear all the search criteria fields. And search button will search the data on the basis of status and other filter criteria. Available LR grid currently displays open state LRs. We can select the LR available in the grid and then view the same. Please note, to view the LR, operator need to have view privilege in incoming LR form. Let's view an LR. LR details are being displayed. Let's issue an open LR. LR is issued to a person to collect the package from transporter premise. Please note, issue to and remarks both are non-mandatory fields. Operator may or may not provide these information. Let's issue the LR. To issue the LR, we need to click on Issue LR button. In case we don't want to issue the LR, we can click on Cancel button as well. LR has been issued. Please note, once the LR has been issued, the LR details will be removed from the grid. Please note, LR can be issued only if the operator has got safe privilege for incoming LR form. Let's search issued LRs. Grid displays those LRs which has been issued but not yet been received or have been partially received. Let's receive an LR. For that we need to select the LR and then click on Gate Entry button. Please note, gate entry will be allowed for only those operators who has got safe privilege in gate entry form. Let's receive an LR. We can modify the quantity and enter the actual quantity that has been received. We may or we may not enter remarks. This is a non-mandatory field. Date can also be modified if required. To receive this LR, we need to click on the button Generate Gate Entry. Gate entry has been generated successfully. Let's cancel an issued LR. Please note, only those operator can cancel the LR who has got delete privilege in incoming LR form. Receive entry is already done against this LR, cannot cancel. That means the LR has been partially received. Partially received LRs cannot be cancelled. Let's select another LR and cancel the same. LR need to be cancelled for various reasons. We need to provide the reason for cancellation. Please note, it's a mandatory field. Operator need to provide the reason for cancellation. LR has been cancelled successfully. Please note, LR details has been removed from the grid area. Let's view the list of received LRs. The grid displays those LRs which has been completely received. We can only view these LRs, no other actions can be performed. Let's view the list of LRs that has been cancelled. The grid displays the list of LRs that has been cancelled. We can view this LR with the help of View LR button, but no other actions can be performed. Please note, item division will be reflected only if shipment tracking is enabled. Today we are also going to discuss about LR bulk entry. LR bulk entry. Bulk entry tab provides provision to either issue or receive multiple LRs at one go. Actions that can be performed from bulk entry tab are LR issue and LR receive. Please note, LR cannot be cancelled in bulk entry since cancel operation is done at very rare cases. So bulk entry is not required for cancellation. Let's do the same in our software. LR Workbench, bulk entry. We need to select the operation which we need to perform, that is either issue or receive. Let's select issue. Please note, only those LRs can be issued which are in open state. We can scan the LRs which are in open state or use the LOV or F2 button to select the LR. Only open state LRs are displayed in the list. We can select the LR that need to be issued and then click on OK. In case we have selected a wrong LR, we can select that LR and then click on Remove button. The LR will be removed. Once the LR has been populated, operator will not be allowed to switch between the operation. LRs are already populated as per the operation selected. Please remove all the selected LRs and try again. In order to switch between the operations, we need to remove all the LRs displayed in the list and then select the desired operation. Let's issue the LR. To issue the LR, we need to click on the button Process. We may or we may not provide any data in issue to and remark fields. Both are non-mandatory fields. Let's issue all the LRs displayed in the grid. All the LRs which were displayed in the grid has been issued successfully. Please note, operator with safe privilege in incoming LR form will only be allowed to issue the LR. Let's receive the LR. Those LRs can only be received which are in issued state or which have been partially received. Let's scan the LR on the basis of LR doc number. Issued LRs and partially received LRs are being displayed in the grid. Please note, LRs of only those consignors are being displayed in the grid who have gate entry applicable. To receive the LR, we need to click on Process button. Operator will be able to receive the LRs only if he has got safe privilege in gate entry form. All the pending quantity will be received for the selected LRs. Do you want to proceed? All the pending quantities will be received at one go for each of the LRs. Let's receive all the pending LRs. Multiple gate entries have been generated successfully. Please note, separate gate entry has been done for each of the LR respectively. This was all about LR Workbench and bulk entry. Thank you.